Gypsum board, often called drywall or plasterboard, has become a cornerstone of modern construction. It's a panel made of gypsum plaster pressed between two thick sheets of paper. This versatile material is primarily used for constructing interior walls and ceilings. The popularity of gypsum board stems from its numerous advantages over traditional building materials. Its lightweight nature makes it easy to handle and install, significantly speeding up construction projects. Furthermore, it offers excellent fire resistance and sound insulation, contributing to safer and more comfortable living and working spaces. Beyond its practicality, gypsum board is remarkably cost-effective. It presents a more affordable alternative to traditional plaster and other materials, making it a favorite choice for budget-conscious builders and homeowners alike. Its adaptability extends to various finishes, readily accepting paint, wallpaper, and textured finishes, opening a world of design possibilities. Gypsum board brings a host of benefits to the construction table, making it a popular choice among builders and homeowners alike. One of its most celebrated features is its lightweight composition, which significantly eases the handling and transportation process. This makes it easier and faster to install compared to bulkier materials, saving time and labor costs. The speed of installation is a game-changer in the construction industry, allowing projects to be completed more swiftly. This ease of handling also reduces the need for heavy equipment, making it a practical choice for both large-scale projects and smaller renovations. Whether you're working on a high-rise building or a simple home remodel, gypsum board proves to be incredibly versatile. Cost-effectiveness is another feather in the cap of gypsum board. Its affordability makes it accessible for a wide range of budgets, from large commercial projects to individual home improvements. It typically costs less than traditional plastering methods and many other wall and ceiling materials. This cost advantage doesn't come at the expense of quality, making it a smart financial choice. This affordability, coupled with its quick installation, contributes to significant overall cost savings in construction projects. The reduced labor and material costs can make a substantial difference in the project's bottom line. Fire resistance is a critical aspect of building safety, and gypsum board excels in this domain. Its fire-resistant properties provide an added layer of security, giving peace of mind to occupants. The gypsum core of the board contains chemically combined water molecules, which play a crucial role in its fire-resistant capabilities. When exposed to heat, this water is released as steam, effectively slowing down the spread of fire. This unique property can be a lifesaver in emergency situations. This inherent fire-resistant property makes gypsum board a responsible choice for enhancing building safety. It meets stringent fire safety standards, making it a reliable material for any construction project. Beyond fire safety, gypsum board contributes to creating more comfortable living and working environments through its sound insulating properties. This is particularly beneficial in urban settings where noise pollution is a concern. The board's thickness and density help to dampen sound waves, reducing noise transfer between rooms. This makes it ideal for creating quiet, peaceful spaces. This makes it an excellent option for homes, offices, and other spaces where sound control is paramount. Whether you're looking to create a serene home environment or a focused office space, gypsum board is a top choice. Gypsum board has earned its place as a staple in various construction settings, proving its mettle across residential, commercial, and specialized applications. In homes, it's the go-to material for crafting interior walls and ceilings. Its smooth surface lends itself beautifully to various finishes, seamlessly integrating into diverse design aesthetics. Venturing into the commercial realm, gypsum board continues its reign. Office buildings, retail spaces, and other commercial environments benefit from its practicality and versatility. It allows for the creation of partition walls, defining spaces and enhancing functionality while maintaining a clean, professional look. Beyond conventional applications, gypsum board demonstrates its adaptability in special-purpose areas. Its sound-dampening qualities make it ideal for constructing soundproof rooms, such as recording studios or home theaters. Furthermore, moisture-resistant gypsum boards are specifically engineered for areas prone to humidity, such as bathrooms and kitchens, ensuring longevity and performance in challenging environments. Creating wall partitions with gypsum board is a straightforward process when approached systematically. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you achieve professional results. The first step involves constructing a sturdy frame using either metal or wooden studs. This frame serves as the backbone of your wall, providing the necessary support and structure. These studs are placed vertically at regular intervals, forming the skeleton of the wall. The spacing between the studs is crucial for the stability and strength of the wall. It's crucial to ensure that the frame is plumb and level to guarantee a straight and stable wall. Use a level to check the alignment and make adjustments as needed. Once the frame is in place, the gypsum boards are cut to size and attached to the studs using drywall screws. Make sure the boards fit snugly to avoid gaps. The screws should be driven slightly below the surface of the board without breaking the paper facing. This ensures a smooth surface for finishing. Proper screw placement is essential to prevent cracking and ensure a secure hold. Space the screws evenly, and avoid placing them too close to the edges. With the boards securely fastened, the next step is to conceal the joints between them. This is done to create a seamless appearance. Joint compound, a gypsum-based paste, is applied over the seams, effectively bonding the boards together. Apply it generously to cover all gaps. Drywall tape is then embedded into the wet compound, reinforcing the joint and preventing future cracks. Smooth out any bubbles or wrinkles in the tape. The final step involves sanding the dried joint compound to create a smooth and seamless surface. This step is crucial for achieving a professional finish. This prepares the wall for priming and painting, allowing for a flawless finish that blends seamlessly with the surrounding walls. Take your time to ensure the surface is perfectly smooth before applying paint. Section 5. Gypsum board installation for ceilings, a detailed approach. Installing gypsum board on ceilings follows a similar principle to wall applications, but with some unique considerations. The process requires careful planning and precision to ensure a smooth and durable finish. A sturdy ceiling frame, typically made of metal, is essential to support the weight of the boards. This frame acts as the backbone of the ceiling, providing the necessary support and stability. This frame is attached to the ceiling joists, ensuring it's level and securely fastened. Proper alignment is crucial to avoid any future issues with the ceiling structure. Lifting and positioning large gypsum boards overhead can be challenging, often requiring an extra pair of hands. The weight and size of the boards make this a task that benefits from teamwork and coordination. Once the boards are in place, they are secured to the ceiling frame using drywall screws. These screws must be evenly spaced to ensure the board is firmly attached and to prevent any sagging over time. As with walls, proper screw placement is crucial to prevent sagging and ensure a long-lasting installation. Each screw must be driven in just enough to hold the board securely without breaking the surface. Joint treatment for ceilings mirrors the process used for walls. This involves applying joint compound to cover the seams and create a seamless surface. Joint compound is applied to the seams between the boards, filling any gaps and creating a smooth transition from one board to the next. And drywall tape is embedded to reinforce the joints. This tape helps to prevent cracks and adds strength to the seams. However, working on a ceiling introduces the added challenge of gravity, requiring a steady hand and careful application to avoid drips and messes. This step demands patience and precision to achieve a professional finish. The final step involves sanding the dry joint compound to a smooth finish. This step is crucial for preparing the surface for the next stages of finishing. This prepares the ceiling for priming and painting, masking any imperfections and creating a uniform surface. A well-prepared surface ensures that the paint adheres properly and looks flawless. A flawlessly finished ceiling enhances the overall aesthetic of the room, creating a sense of openness and sophistication. It not only adds to the visual appeal, but also contributes to the overall value of the property. Alright, let's dive into a comparative analysis. Gypsum board, also known as drywall, has several advantages over traditional plaster. For one, it's much easier to install and requires less labor. Additionally, it's more cost-effective and offers a smoother finish. Compared to plaster, gypsum board is also more resistant to cracks and can be used in a variety of applications. So, in essence, gypsum board provides a modern solution that meets both aesthetic and functional needs. Now let's explore the differences between the types of gypsum boards available. Regular gypsum board is great for standard applications, but for areas prone to moisture, you'll want to use moisture-resistant boards. Fire-resistant gypsum boards are essential for enhancing safety in buildings, especially in areas like kitchens and utility rooms. There are also soundproof gypsum boards designed to minimize noise transmission, making them ideal for offices and home theaters. Each type has its unique benefits tailored to specific needs. So, how do you choose the right gypsum board for your project? First, consider the environment where it will be installed. For areas with high humidity, go for moisture-resistant boards. If fire safety is a concern, opt for fire-resistant boards. For soundproofing, soundproof gypsum boards are your best bet. Also, think about the level of finish you desire. Regular boards can be finished to a high standard with the right techniques. Ultimately, the right choice depends on the specific requirements of your project. Embracing gypsum board in modern construction is not just about efficiency, it's about creating better living and working spaces. With its versatility, ease of installation, and variety of types, gypsum board has become a staple in contemporary building practices. It supports sustainable construction methods and contributes to healthier indoor environments. By choosing gypsum board, you're opting for a material that aligns with the demands of modern architecture, offering both durability and adaptability. So, whether you're renovating a home or constructing a new building, gypsum board is a smart, forward-thinking choice.